Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Naomi and this is therealNaomiB. I post videos twice a week, Sundays and Wednesdays, and I really do hope that you stick around and become a part of this growing community. I want to share with you today a few outfit formulas, and more specifically summer outfit formulas that will not only ensure that you are cool and comfortable but also put together and stylish. First outfit of the day is going to be this stunning summer dress. It's giving cottagecore, milk maiden realness. I am absolutely obsessed with this dress. Of course, I will link all the details and the outfits in the description below, but I did get this stunning dress from Amazon. My favorite part of this dress is the neckline and the fact that it's very versatile and you're able to pull down the sleeves to create this off the shoulder look. But I personally like it up because I'm not really too fond of my arms right now. That's the reason why I love this dress. No matter your size, your body type, or your shape, this dress is very stunning, beautiful if you will. My only takeaway from this piece is that it is not lined. I like my summer dress to be lined to create a little bit more fullness and weight in the skirt. However, outside of that small hidden detail, I think it's a really good affordable piece. But let's just accessorize real quickly. For today's video, I will be styling this outfit with my Tommy Hilfiger slides. I've had this for about a year and change now. This basket wicker bag is just the perfect summer bag in my opinion. This bag screams summer. I think I also got this from Amazon. So both the dress and the bag is from Amazon and the slides are from Tommy Hilfiger. Before I forget, another detail that I want to share with you guys is the fact that this has the most cutest bow in the back, which really brings home that cottagecore, very feminine silhouette. I just feel so beautiful, so elevated, so stunning and timeless in this outfit. Now the next formula that I have for you today is going to be a satin skirt and a tank top. Now remember, a formula is only used to help you to figure out how to put your outfits together. So you can choose your favorite textures, your favorite colors, depending on what works well with your skin tone, and then you can go for it and create the most flattering outfit. I absolutely love this satin skirt. I did get it from Amazon. My tank top is from Zara, but the pièce de resistance to this outfit is going to be my sandals. I got these sandals from Amazon, and of course I'll have those linked in the description below so you guys can check them out. Also, my bag, I don't know what to call this. I don't know if it's a market bag. It's definitely a more casual tote that you can wear to run errands or go into the market. I absolutely love this one. I've had it for about 3 years now and I've been bringing it out every summer, and I just love the way how it works with this outfit. This is a very popular bag. It's also from Amazon, as well as the sunglasses. These glasses are from one of my favorite Amazon vendors, Sojo Vision, and of course I will have all the links in the description below. Our third outfit is going to be a tailored shorts and tank top combo. I truly believe that if you replace your denim, your jean shorts with tailored shorts, that is one of the most easiest ways to elevate your summer outfits. This tailored short is also from Amazon. Can you tell that I used to shop a lot on Amazon and still do? Amazon has some really great vendors, and I'm very happy to be able to share this one with you guys. I cannot remember where I got this tank top from, but I just love the color of it. This is one of the colors that works really well with my skin tone. Anything along the lines of burnt sienna or rust or that deep metallic brown color really does complement my skin tone very well, and that's the reason why I paired it with this short today. For my sandals, I decided to go with this brown pair, also from Amazon. What I like about this sandal is the pearl detail around the heel of the sandal. I just feel like it adds such a really nice elevated touch to what could have been just a regular pair of sandals. I got these as a birthday gift I believe 2 years ago, and I've been wearing them every summer, and I just love the way how it complements this outfit. I am going to be pairing this outfit with my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. This is such a really great purse. I love it. If you're just getting into luxury bags, I recommend this. Or if you're just looking for an easy, effortless bag that you can use either to dress up an outfit but also use for everyday, this is the perfect bag to get. I love it. For sunglasses, I decided to add my tortoise shell frames, also from Sojo Vision. I just love the detail and the quality of their sunglasses. Modern and trendy and very wearable design. Our next outfit formula is going to be the classic button-down shirt and denim. These jeans are light washed. I like a light wash jean in the summertime, and this button-down is the classic pinstripe, high quality, very structured button down. Is from Amazon. I've talked about this button down in previous videos before, and I've raved about it. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's just the perfect cotton staple for your wardrobe. Very breathable and lightweight, but still great quality. I will be pairing this outfit with these sandals, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I love the, what would you call this, woven, almost knit detail of the sandals. You can tell that I have worn these to death. Every summer I run to these sandals just to add that elevated touch. I love the height of the heel. It's just enough height to give you a little bit of lift, but still comfortable enough for you to be running around town, running errands, maybe a happy hour, dinner with the girls, date night. For my bag, I'm going to go with this quilted flat bag that I purchased from Burlington. Love how this outfit looks together. And our last and final outfit inspo is going to be just a simple classic t-shirt or blouse with some tailored trousers. I absolutely love these trousers. I cannot remember where I got them from. These are from Tommy Hilfiger, and they have been a true staple in my wardrobe. This top is from Amazon, and I love the quality, love the rib detail, but I do want to give you another option. I love just a plain t-shirt in the summertime. So a more casual and easy and effortless option would be this staple. I've talked about the Uniqlo t-shirt so many times on this channel. I love how you can actually see the neckline and the stitching on the shirt. It's just that added touch that really tells how great of a quality this t-shirt really is. I have it in 2 other colors, worn to absolute death, and that's just because they make perfect sense in my wardrobe. For shoes, I've decided to go with these chunky slip-on sandals. Absolutely love them. These are from Steve Madden, and I just love how they change the look of the outfit. They also give you a bit of height, and I love how they look on. Always want to have this style of sandal in my wardrobe. As for bag, I'm gonna go with this black number from Zara. I love the size of this bag. It really is an everyday size. You can fit a ton in this bag. I love the brushed gold hardware that comes with the guitar strap. This bag also comes with a smaller, more daintier strap, which I don't really like. I feel like it makes the bag look a little bit cheap. You are able to customize it and get your initials put in, and I was able to do that. Thank you to my mom for gifting me this bag last year for my birthday. I love how it looks and how it brings the outfits together. Easy, effortless, timeless. That is the reason why I love these formulas. It's just going to make getting ready on a daily basis so easy without much effort or thought. I would really love to hear your thoughts on this video and my outfit formula, so comment down below which one of these 5 outfits were your favorite. I really do hope that you enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video, and as always, until next time, bye.
I want you to stay before you go. I want you to know that I want you to stay.